Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Living the country life with Thomas Collins. Out here this morning, prepping for this hurricane. Got my yard mowed. Early this morning I showed y'all a little baby gator on the short. But we're gonna see how high the water is in the ditch so we can compare it when it starts raining tomorrow or the next day. Right here's where that baby gator was. It's about 3 inches below the culvert, right there. Yep, got the yard mowed. Just picking up some stuff now. It's finally dry enough, but it's fixing to get wet again, so. In the backyard, it was a couple little spots that were wet that I couldn't mow. I'll show y'all. Looking good. Back here is where it's still a little wet. I couldn't mow this spot. I got stuck over here, right there. Had to pull the mower out. Right here's my property line. This is my neighbor's dock over there. It used to be ours. My stepfather put that there many years ago. Yep, this is still pretty wet right through here. You can see something's been coming in and out of there still. Might see a snake. This is where I seen that snake, that cottonmouth, moccasin, whatever you want to call it. If this storm drops a lot of rain, we are going to get flooded this time. Because it is so saturated. The pond is slant full. It's not coming out in the yard, but it's at, it's pretty level with the ground for the most part. Look, there's the snake. Sure enough, swimming on water. I don't know if y'all seen that. It didn't look like a cottonmouth. Got the yard mowed, so I'm happy about that. So, not too bad, not too bad. Nice and cool this morning for sure. I ain't been able to go through my little trail right there because I ain't got 4-wheel drive and I don't take my 88 through there. Or a 2-wheel drive unless it's absolutely dry or you'll get stuck. So all right, that's done. A little bit at a time. My neighbor got his yard mowed. Nobody lives here. His family lives in the house next door and they take care of it. So he mows what he can mow. Not too bad. I need to put my fence up. I started the poles and didn't finish it. The other day I was out here and a dang little rabbit ran out of these little bushes right here. I missed a blade of grass. We'll get that one by hand. I hope y'all are all doing good, and I hope all of my Florida peeps are going to be safe and get prepared for the storm. So we'll take a look one more time, see if that gator popped back up. A couple branches that broke off there. I gotta get out of there. That's pretty cool. I didn't get it on camera. That vehicle was pretty cool. Yep, that's a true story right there. I really like my fence here. It's pretty cool. No, I don't see his little feller. I don't see the little feller. We'll take a look on this side. This is just going to be a little short video. Just letting you know I'm getting prepared for the storm. I'm okay. A lot better than I was a few days ago, which I was okay then. It was just that video and all that stuff bothered you a little bit. Bothered me a little bit, I should say. So it is what it is, though. It's not true, and I know that deep down in my heart. Actually, in my whole heart. And she's karma's karma. That's all I gotta say. Like I said before, I warned Travis, better get away from those people. And look, they're looking for him to get served. And Deanna, whatever her name is. They're avoiding the server. And everybody thought I was avoiding the server. I was not. I did not have any clue I was getting served with a cease and desist letter. But as soon as he left a card on my door, guess what I did? I called the number. And we set a time up for the next day to meet around 11 o'clock. He got here around 12, and he gave me the papers. So they're looking for that big black dolly, Travis. When they see you, they know it's going to be you. And so I tried to warn you, Travis. Now you got yourself in a lawsuit. Not sure what it's for. Just so. Not sure who it's from. But I'm sure it'll be out eventually, and we'll all know what it's about and who it's from. I mean, we all know what it's to do with. But see what Jeremy got you, Travis? Sorry, buddy. I heard some comments. People were commenting, and I read some comments and seen some videos. I guess Travis was down and out and sad in one of his videos, or live or something. They didn't even show up to the town hall meeting. I didn't either, because they are scared of getting served. Travis, the server knows you live in Trenton, so. Alright, everybody, I'm going to quit running my mouth and blabbing on. You can't You know, you just, I don't know. And anyways, I want to appreciate each and every one of y'all watching. And I know I'm going to get a little smack talk because I was talking about Travis and Deanna. But my true YouTube family, you know, it's cool. You know, I'm not being mean. But the ones that are going to hate a little bit and leave nasty comments are the Colton, the Kool-Aid drinkers, as we say it. So, all I was saying is I just warned Travis. And, as he says, we're poor people. His fans are stupid, he said in one of his videos. And we're poor. He said at the live, on the live at the meeting, town hall meeting. But I forgive him for that. I mean, I've been picked on and called names my whole life. I've been big my whole life, so I'm used to it. That, at least, but not being accused of some serious accusations that is absolutely not true. So, anyways, I hope all y'all are safe during the storm. The ones that are going to be in the path of it, even in the different countries and states and around the world. Hope you are all safe and having a good day, morning, night, whatever it is. I love each and every one of y'all. Please subscribe. Think about it. Slam that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. We'll see you on the next one.